Hello everyone, this is Anthony, Wall Street Trader's son, and it's 11:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, June 20th, 2021. And before we get into this video, let's get into the disclaimer. This is not financial advice. The opinion you should follow should be your own and or with a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes and to outline my own personal opinions as well. Intraday updates on twitter.com, links below. To stay up to date with my latest videos, click that subscribe button. Okay? So my dad bought iExec RLC at $5.04. Now he's gonna explain.
So, RLC US dollar, we are over the yellow line. We're pointing towards 14, which is fantastic. What that means is that we continue over this path. Now, we've had some volatility yesterday where? In Bitcoin. RLC Bitcoin, though, RLC BTC has actually been pretty positive. We've stayed over this yellow line of support, which is now support, was once resistance. And we're staying over that. We're creating a W pattern. This is bullish. However, Bitcoin is somewhat bearish. But, you know, if you look at they call these things death crosses. Death crosses are pretty much these red crosses that you see. Here, there's one here, there's one up here. And all that means is 50-day moving average may cut below the 200-day moving average. A moving average is simply, you know, you take a prior set of days and you say, all right, so for the 50-day moving average, I take the prior 50-day prices and then I divide it by 50 to get the average price for each of those days. Same thing with the 200. You just do that over 200 days. That's how these lines are formed. The red line is the long-term moving average. The green line is the shorter-term moving average. So these are the curved lines, right? Not the straight line. The straight line is support that has started from March of 2020. Now, we are at what's called a death cross. That's typically bearish. What some people consider bearish, I don't consider it terribly bearish looking at prior periods. Look, we had a death cross here back in October of 2019, only to be where we were when that death cross was established in February of 2020. Another death cross happening in March of 2020, only to be resolved 2 months later at a point where we were net positive. Actually, where that death cross happened, it actually was nothing but bullishness after that. So you can't really take the death cross seriously. And as you can see here, a lot of people are concerned about a death cross. Now, I don't expect that this death cross, even if it truly crossed or not, will create much havoc. But, you know, I think the selling pressure that we've already have is behind us. Look at this, right down here to 33,350, and we're already back up solidly to 34,000 and change. We have to see how this plays out. However, just understand that. Now, over to cryptocurrencies, on the positive side, Bitcoin being accepted by a pretty big chain out in Texas, HEB, Fresh Foods, and this will continue on. This adoption will continue throughout Texas. We're hearing big adoption out in Miami and many other states that I've talked about in the past. Anyway, it is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to everyone, and we shall chat soon. Take care.